to this tutorial on how to use the testing area in JIRA. Now I'm starting on the CCLE homepage, and I got to this page by typing ccle.ucla.edu in my browser. I want you to go to a course on this page called CCLE Testing. To find the course, just go to Search Sites and type in the search bar CCLE Testing, all lowercase, all one word, and hit enter. Now you will see a link to CCLE Testing Headquarters. Click on that link and you will see the CCLE Testing Headquarters main page. You don't have to be logged in to use this page. It's perfectly fine for guest access. Here is a link to the video you're currently watching if you want to refresh your memory. And here's a link to all the test plans on JIRA. Now I provided you with a direct link because sometimes it's hard to find your way around in JIRA, so this should take you right to where you want to go. If you click on it, it opens JIRA. You'll need login credentials to use this program, and if you don't have credentials, you can contact Nick, Elaine, or Deborah in CCLE Home and they'll help you get access. If you do have access, just click the login button and log in. And now you will see a list of all the meta tickets that are in the testing area, testing CCLE, on JIRA. Now the tickets are divided by role. We have instructor role, student role, TA role, etc., etc., etc. So we're going to click on guest access. Now you will see that this has the testing plans. They're called subtasks, and there are 4 of them right here, and those are the actual test plans. It also has a description, and this is just a generic instructions on how to pass and how to fail a ticket. It also has some helpful links. We have 3 servers. One is called Test, one is called Stage, and one is called Prod, and these are the links to get to those servers. I also want you to notice that over here, in this column, it tells you the status of the ticket, whether it's open or closed, and if it's been assigned. So if it's unassigned, click on one of the subtasks, and this will take you into the actual test plan itself. And it tells you, look at the component, what role you're supposed to be testing for, and effects versions and fixed versions is what server you should be testing this on. In the description, there's an objective to the test, what the objective of the test is, and then there's steps, what to do to test. And then down here it's a reminder of how to fail a ticket and how to pass a ticket. Now what I'd like you to do is go over to the left nav under Assign and click To Me, because we're going to assign these tasks to ourselves, and everyone is going to pick different tasks to work on. And this is a very important step. I want you to click Start Progress. So now at this point, you're ready to either go back and assign yourself to another ticket and go back to the Meta Guest Access and return to Search. And you can pick another role if you want to by clicking on the Meta ticket. So we're going to go back to the ticket that we just assigned to ourselves. And now you can see that it's assigned to me because I assigned it to myself, and it's in progress. So if somebody else comes to this page, they'll see that that ticket is no longer available. So I'm going to go back inside the ticket. I'm going to go through all my test plans, and if it passes, I'm simply going to come over here and close the issue. Now I'll show you what a closed issue looks like. You click on Closed, and you don't have to do anything except close the issue. And now when you go back to the meta ticket, this link up here at the top, click on it, you'll see that your ticket has a line through it and it's closed. So that means the test has successfully passed. There was no issues with that test. So let's go to the next subtask and open that up, and this one is going to fail. Again, here's the objective of the test, and here's the steps you take to test it. It's a guest access role. That's the role you'll be using to test it, and it's on the test server. So once you're finished testing and the test has failed, I want you to go to Comment. That's under Operations in the left nav. Comment. Click on that. A white box opens up. And in here, I'd like you to record some important information. For example, what browser you're using, the version number, what operating system, if it was Mac or PC. I'd also like you to copy and paste any debugging errors you might have found when you were on the server if debugging is turned on. I'd also like you to copy the link of the page where the error occurred, and then any steps leading up to what you did to make that error happen. Sign your name, and just confirm what server you were on and what role you were using in the comments section. Also, you can use the comments section if you don't understand something about the test plan. If something is not clear, you can ask a question here and it will be clarified for you. And when you're finished, just click Add. Add. And now you will see your comment appears down here with your name. Assign this ticket to yourself if you forgot to do that, and start the progress. So now when we go back to the meta ticket, this link in red, you can see that your ticket is in progress. It's assigned to you, and it's open. So that means that it'll be passed through the JIRA workflow process. The bug will be evaluated and fixed. Let's do one more. Let's click on yellow box. Again, here's the testing objective. Here's the steps you take to test it. Here's the role that you're testing. And here's the server that it's on. Assign this role to yourself. Click Assign to Me. And click Start Progress. Do your test. If it passes, click Close Issue, and that's all you have to do at that point. If it fails, click Comment and add your comment. If you want to sign up for more tickets, you can either sign up for more in that meta ticket, or you can go back to the CCLE course site that I've set up for you, click on test plans, and click on another meta ticket. This one doesn't have any subtasks because I haven't finished it yet. And basically you go through the same process of assigning it to you and starting the progress. Again, if you have any questions, you can email me. Here's a link to my email on the CCLE headquarters testing page. One thing I would like to clarify before this tutorial ends is how do you find your assigned tasks once you sign up for them? Say, for example, you signed up for a bunch of tasks one day, and then 3 days later you come back and you want to find what tasks you signed up for. Well, come back to the CCLE testing headquarters page. I would recommend bookmarking this page. And then go to Assign Tasks down here and click on that. Again, you'll have to log into JIRA. And now you'll see all the tasks that are open that I've signed up for that still need to be tested. And these were the 2 tasks that I kept open. I didn't close them. And if you click on them, you can go in and proceed with your testing. Thanks again.